Where are you from?
Singapore.
So you saw Master Chris Leong in Malaysia.
Yes.
And it did help, right?
Yes.
But you're here for a ring to see maybe something deeper. Egg your belly into jelly.
Oh. Oh. Whew. Oh my god.
How deep?
Super deep. Never felt this before. Oh my god. Yeah, it's good.
Not too bad, huh?
Yeah.
It's the deepest in the world.
Yeah, it really exceeded my expectation. I know it was deep, but not that deep. Crunching cookies. Oh, it's good. Good.
Perfect. Still kicking too.
This is like a end-to-end. Yeah, it's great. I mean, it's the usual ones. The ones that I go to, it's a bit on the surface. I feel my toes as well. Like my toes can touch the ground.